Hi guys, happy Tuesday to you. I hope that your weekend went well and I hope that your week is off to a great start. Today I'm going to have you, just checking my list. Today I'm going to have you listen to and follow along in your novel with the recording to chapter 20 of Island of the Blue Dolphins. We're finishing that novel up next week. So we're on chapter 20. We have to get to chapter 29 by then. So for today, just listen to that recording, follow along in your novel, and after you do that, you can answer the questions for chapters 17 through 20. So in your materials that were mailed home to you, you would get out the Understanding the Story, chapters 17 through 20 page. And you can either answer the questions on the hard copy, take a picture and email it to me, or answer the questions on the Google document that I provide and turn it in. Make sure that you remember when you are answering these questions to restate the question in your answer. Most of you who are turning work in are doing a great job with that. Restate the question in your answer, and also be specific and use details from the story as you respond to the questions. In addition to that, remember to capitalize the first word of each sentence that you write for the short answer questions, and also end each sentence with the correct form of punctuation. In most cases, that would be a period. Also, make sure that you are capitalizing proper nouns, like names of characters. Karana would always be capitalized, for example, and places would be capitalized as well. The word Aleuts is a proper noun that should be capitalized. So just really focus on that kind of thing. And I think that's all I have to say for that one. For tomorrow, Wednesday, I'm going to have you listen to the chapter 21 recording and also do the vocabulary for chapters 21 through 24. So that's what you should be on the lookout for tomorrow. I want to read to you the questions for chapters 17 through 20, which is what you'll do after you listen to chapter 20 today and follow along. The first two questions are multiple choice. Number 1 says, in chapter 17, what does Rantu do when he leaves Karana's house? A, he captures a sea elephant. B, he kills the devilfish. C, he rejoins the pack of wild dogs. Or D, he fights the wild dogs. For number 2, what sea creature does Karana attempt to spear in chapter 19? A blue dolphin. B, a starfish. C, a devilfish. Or D, a sea elephant. For number 3, which is a short answer question, describe what Karana finds inside Black Cave when she discovers it for the first time in chapter 20. So you would restate the question in your answer by saying when Karana discovers Black Cave for the first time, she finds, and then answer the question as specifically as you can. For number 4, at the end of chapter 20, who comes to the island? How does Karana react to this unexpected event, and why might this be? So there are 3 parts to this question, so you really should have 3 sentences to answer the question. To restate the first question, you would say, at the end of chapter 20, blank comes to the island. For the next part of the question, how does Karana react to this unexpected event? You would say, Karana reacts to this unexpected event by, and then explain what she does, how she reacts. And finally, why might this be? I think she is acting this way because, and then give an explanation. For the last question, number 5, I want you to make a prediction. So you're going to make a guess about what might happen later on in the story. Will Karana approach the newcomers to the island? And what clues in the novel make you think that? So you will either say, Yes, Karana will approach the newcomers to the island, or no, Karana will not approach the newcomers to the island for the first part. And for the second part, the clues in the novel that make me think this are, and then explain what those clues are. So that's it for today, guys. Do your best on this, and I will see you again tomorrow with the vocabulary for the next part of the book. Have a great day, and hopefully you're staying inside and keeping dry because it's supposed to be a super rainy day. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.